Good morning, friends. Uh, Today is 14th of December 2021. The SGX right now is about 17,323, and the US markets overnight have fallen quite a bit. The S&P 500 is down about 42 odd points. US futures this morning are kind of unchanged to positive. Now, the issue is that yesterday we have turned from the declining 20-day average, and we have done that with some momentum. So, given the Omnicon and Federal Reserve issues, I think more downside should be expected because we will be getting follow through post yesterday's decline. So targets of 17 to 70 and 17 160 seem fairly likely. The question here is the size of the bars, which basically signify momentum, and we got fairly large sized bars yesterday, which showed FII buying, FII selling, and once people know that FIIs are coming in to sell, they kind of move aside. So, you know, the fall can sometimes be sharper because the buyers get out of the way. The risk today is more on the bank nifty because 36,800 has been a support on bank nifty, and that may get taken out early in the morning. And once that is taken out, I think you are looking at 36,660 to about 36,400. So major call writing is seen at all higher strikes, both on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and the put writing has kind of vanished from lower levels. So the support on the downside is fairly weak. So in case there is again momentum in FI selling, the market can go down very, very easily. So that should be kept in mind. What kind of momentum the market is coming down with. Overall, next couple of days, I don't think you will have too much of upside, and all rallies need to be sold. The stop loss for you know uh, short positions are 17,450 and 36 120 thereabouts, and below that I think I've already given you the targets. The idea is that the turn from yesterday opens up the gate for a retest of previous lows. Now, whether that happens or does not happen will depend on the momentum of this current fall. And if the momentum is high, and if FIIs continue to sell into the year end, then those levels can come in, because if large caps go down, they will take mid caps down with them. So, my sense is that this pullback rally may be over for now. That should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.